Yeah, so today's been kind of crazy day. So many jobs going on out there right now in the field. Our project manager Angel's running from job to job. He's supposed to be here in this meeting that I'm on right now on Zoom calls. Then our power goes out. It's the second time today. We lose internet. We're in the middle of 4 big jobs out there. We're spraying some custom furniture pieces. So kind of a little show today, but we're gonna get through it. So stay tuned. We're gonna really keep working through this, and today was gonna be a good day.
So there's 2 different ceiling heights in that primary. Do we just want to make it 10 feet and call it a day, or you want it to go up, step up in that area?
On this plan, on the page you're looking at, is that true?
I'll check the height.
The reason why when we start drawing cabinetry and tile and doing all that, we need to know the ceiling height. So
Jill, remember last time we talked about all the appliances? Nobody's got back to me. I've already spec'd everything, but we talked about, I made notes, we were gonna possibly get Bosch or something else, Bosch or Fisher and Paykel in the casita, or we're gonna stick with Sub-Zero throughout the whole house.
Okay, so you remember you're supposed to have that meeting, dude, at 11 here. So you're gonna have to go, but you don't have the Zoom, you don't have it loaded up on your, okay. You gotta know these things. That's why I said the thing was appointment today. That's why because we don't know what the hell we're talking about, dude. We don't even have a clue what we're talking about. We never use the app. So now we're gonna fucking look like idiots on the phone. It's at 11, dude. It keeps sitting there and emailing us and telling us and texting us, telling you it's coming up. Look at the time zone it is. It's at 11, dude. He's still saying it's 12. It's at 11, right, Kim?
Yeah, I mean,
I'm getting things at 11. It's at 11. So it's fine, but we're just gonna have to figure this out, or we have to postpone it because I'm not gonna get on looking like an idiot on the phone.
I just sent him the link. He can click that.
We can't FaceTime, dude. It's on a Zoom. Okay, so she's sending you the link now.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're gonna get this information. We have to get on this call because nobody knows what to talk to these guys about. You're the only one, so you're the one that's gonna be using it.